Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, my boyfriend's back. Pueen Celebration Collection Lace Blossom Stamping Plate. And the special Aurora Tennessee Whiskey as a topper. Here is Moonshine Manny's My Boyfriend's Back. This is the dupe for My Boyfriend Scales Walls from the Dupe It project. And here we go. We're going to go in with our first coat of My Boyfriend's Back. And this one's going pretty well. As you can see on my middle fingernail, if you overwork it, you can get that draggy look. I'm doing it right there too. So you might want to be careful if you get this one, or maybe even just add a little thinner to it to make it, more smooth. Because I do believe that's what's happening here, is it's kind of thick. I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and tidy that up just a little bit. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and do a second coat. And get this one to, get this base color laid down. There we go. Come on, girl. Quit messing with it. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down just a little bit before we head on to the next step. It's a very pretty polish, a nice clean background for, nail art. And that's why I got it. There's a swatch photo on its own. Here is Aurora, and this is Tennessee Whiskey. This is one I got at the Polish and Beauty Expo. And we're going to go in with our first coat. And I'm just going to fess up right now that I should have done this first coat and left it alone and not gone crazy with it. So there you have that, sports fans. Here we go with the second coat. Once again, this is like overkill for what I wanted and what I ended up with. Okay, I'm not dissing the manicure altogether. I'm just saying, very pretty. I am going to top it once again with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And we're going to get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. Guys probably figured there'd be some stamping involved. Going to cap my free edge here. There we go. Good deal. There's a swatch photo of the Tennessee Whiskey on top. And this is Pueen Celebration Collection Lace Blossom. I'll be using this Born Pretty Gray, which was, again, another mistake of this manicure. You can't just be in love with all of them, especially when you step outside of the box and try to do things differently. So, for me, this stamping just was kind of flat. It didn't really define the image, the stamping image. So, there you have it. I do clean that plate off with pure acetone, and my stamper always gets cleaned off on a lint roller or with a piece of tape. So here we go. We're going to pick that image up, and I am using as much of the stamped image and spreading it across the nails. 2 for 1. I get 2 nails out of 1 stamp. So there we go. We got all that stamped up. I'm cleaning the plate so that I can put it away. I'm going to hop in with a little piece of tape and get any excess polish off of my skin. And like I said, this one did not turn out like I'd hoped, and there were a couple of different reasons for that. But it's okay. My nails were painted, they were protected, and I got to wear this for a few days, and it did grow on me a little bit. So I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I can tell you the one thing I do like about this manicure is that peekaboo from beneath, with that foily topper. It's just really pretty that way. I am topping it with the Poshe top coat. I'm going to seal this one in and call it done. Now, don't think I hated it. This is not my best work. I don't want y'all to think I'm all proud of it and everything. So here is my swatch photo. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.